Welcome back, everybody. We're having a correction, first of all, to the exercise that was given in the last class. So, today, what date is it? Today is 22nd of June. Yeah, it's 22nd of June 2020. Now, correction. Number 1. The question is calculate the curved surface area of a cylindrical container with the following dimensions. Take the value of pi to be 3.14. 1a. We are finding the curved surface area of a cylinder which has a base radius of 30 centimeters and a height of 36 centimeters. Let's have a sketch of a cylinder. This is a cylinder. This is a cylindrical container. Its radius is 30 centimeters and its height is 36 centimeters. Now, what's curved surface area? The formula for the curved surface area of a cylinder is given by 2 pi RH. And that means here we know pi is equal to 3.14. Radius is 30 centimeters and height is 36 centimeters. Therefore, the curved surface area is therefore equal to 2 times pi, which is 3.14, times radius, which is 30, times height, which is 36. And that means that 2 times 3.14 times 3.14 times 30 times 36. When you do that, if you work that out, you get 6,782.4 centimeters squared. Don't forget that areas are always in square units. 2 times 3.14 times 30 times 36. Now to question B. That's 1B. 1B says the cylinder has a radius of 15 centimeters and a height of 1.2 centimeters. Let's have a sketch as usual. This is the cylinder. It has a radius of 15 centimeters, if I'm not mistaken. That's correct. And then a height of 1.2 centimeters. This is the radius, 15 centimeters, and the height is 1.2 centimeters. So, what's going to be the curved surface area? We're using the same formula, curved surface area. Curved surface area equals 2 pi RH. And that's the same as 2 times pi, which is 3.14, times radius, which is 15, multiplied by the height, which is 1.2 centimeters. And when you work that out, you're going to get 2 times 3.14 times 15 times 1.2. And that's 113.04 centimeters squared. That's the curved surface area of that cylindrical container. Now we go to C. The container has dimensions The container has dimensions. Yeah, okay. It has a diameter. It has a diameter of 58 centimeters. Diameter. That's of this circle. The diameter of this cylinder is 58 centimeters, and its height is 8.6 centimeters. So, if diameter is 58, radius is diameter over 2, which is 58 over 2, and that's equal to 29 centimeters. Therefore, the curved surface area of the cylinder, which is given by the formula 2 pi r h is equal to 2 times pi, which is 3.14, times radius, which we found to be 29 centimeters, times height, which is 8.6 centimeters, and that's equal to 2 times 3.14 times 29 times 8.6. I hope that's very correct. 2 times 3.14 times 29 times 8.6, and that's 1,566.232 centimeters squared. And I want to approximate that to 2 decimal places. And it's going to be 1,566.23 centimeters squared. And that's the answer. Now we go to question 2. Question 2 says, a strip of paper is wound 8 times round a cylindrical pencil. A strip of paper is wound 8 times round a cylindrical pencil of diameter 7 millimeters. Use the value 22/7 for pi to find the length of the paper. Neglect the thickness of the paper. That's a piece of cake. In this case, the number of times the paper is wound round the cylindrical pencil multiplied by the circumference of the circular body of that cylindrical pencil gives the length of the paper. And you know that the circular body of a cylinder has a circumference of 2 pi r or pi d. The body of a cylinder is a circle. The body of a pencil is a circle, so its circumference is 2 pi r, or if you like, pi d. So that means pi d multiplied by the number of times the paper is wound round the cylindrical pencil is what gives the length of the paper. So let's go. Length of paper equals number of times. I think I should even write it under here. Number of times wound multiplied by pi d, which is the circumference of the round body of the pencil, and that's going to be equal to 8 times pi d, and that's equal to 8 times. The diameter has been the diameter is we have diameter here, so that's 8 times 22/7, which is the value we have to use for pi, multiplied by 7 millimeters, which is the diameter. 7 here, 1, 7 here, 1. And the answer is 8 times 22. That's 176 millimeters. Are we asked to change the unit of our answer? No. That's 176 millimeters. They said, and that's it. That's 176 millimeters. So the length of the paper is 176 millimeters. It's as simple as that. Yeah, that's the length of the paper. So that's a correction. I hope you understand it. We go to another topic. Uh, God helping. God, we'll continue with another topic in our next meeting. God helping. Please copy this correction in your notes and submit for inspection. Thank you very much, and God bless.